Our oral health is so important when it comes to taking care of it the right way. In today's video, I'm going to show you the #1 best home remedy to get rid of dental plaque or tartar, as well as preventing them from ever coming back again. What is tartar? Tartar is this calcified pale yellow hard growth on the inside of your teeth that tends to get into your gums. It can create gingivitis, halitosis, that is bad breath, receding gums, and so many problems. If you take your tongue right now and start to move it around in front of your teeth, at the back of your teeth, behind, lower, and upside, you may feel this gritty substance. That is a plaque that leads to a tartar. And if you look at what tartar is, it is actually a colony of bad microbes called biofilm. That's just the way microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, fungus, candida survive in nature. And unfortunately, with the foods that we eat today, the sugars, the sodas, the starchy foods, these microbes love to feed on them. They ferment these foods in our mouth, causing this sticky plaque on our teeth. And if this plaque is not removed, it turns into tartar. Releases lactic acid, which has the potential to bleach away the enamel of our teeth, break them down, causing cavities, receding gums, and without proper hygiene, our teeth are going to get rotten and eventually lead to tooth decay and tooth loss. You could also experience bleeding gums after brushing, gingivitis, periodontal gum diseases, and so many other things. And that is why dentists tell us to brush our teeth a couple of times to remove those plaques, to prevent that tartar and preserve our teeth so they can stay healthy. So I'm going to show you one of the best anti-tartar toothpaste you can make at home easily. It is very inexpensive, very effective, and then natural. Everyone has heard about baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is used for so many things, like an antacid for those with heartburns, as a cleaning agent for our utensils, the floors, as a bathing water for skin irritations like rashes, foot rot, insect bites, sunburns, muscle pain, or sore muscles. And when it comes to your kidneys, studies even suggest that baking soda might have a positive impact on your kidney health, as it aids in reducing the risk of kidney stones and supporting overall kidney function by balancing the acidity levels in your body. It also helps enhance exercise performance when consumed before an intense physical activity, to help buffer the lactic acid in the muscles that lead to the onset of fatigue. Now, who would have thought that taking some plain baking soda with water and making a paste and brushing your teeth with it will eventually and effectively remove those plaques and prevent the tartar? It has a very low abrasivity and can remove the plaque without damaging the enamel of your teeth. It will help neutralize those acids, kill off the biofilms responding for those plaque or those yellowish plaque you see on your teeth. It also has the ability to whiten your teeth, and its antimicrobial properties will reduce the occurrence of these bad bacteria that cause tooth decay. So brushing your teeth with baking soda toothpaste at least 3 times in a week will do the magic for you. And guess what? Your body makes some amount of sodium bicarbonate. So you're not taking something that your body doesn't make at all. All you need is 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with some water, and then you brush your teeth with it. To make this more exciting and even speed up the cleaning process, you can even add to the baking soda toothpaste 2 or 3 drops of clove oil or peppermint oil or cinnamon oil. These oils are antimicrobial and give you some nice scent in your mouth. 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to kill off those bacteria or microbes, and then 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey or manuka honey with some water, and then you brush your teeth with a soft toothbrush. If you add this other ingredient to the baking soda toothpaste, you want to brush your teeth twice in a day, and in a few days you will get rid of those plaques and the tartar, leaving your teeth whiter and cleaner for safe oral care. And I want to remind you to be aware of the foods we spoke about, those sugars, the carbs, those refined products, the excessive flour, the coffee. They will eventually turn into plaque if you don't take care of it. And it is better to eat those foods in their whole state with their fiber intact than their refined type. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Share with your loved ones, and remember to take care of your oral health. And please leave a comment below your experience with this home remedy, because I'm sure there will be many people who would love to read your experience in the comment section. And hey, always remember that God wants you healthy, your health, your life. And I'll see you in the next video right up here. God bless you, and thanks for watching.